Failure to investigate judges. Judicial Conduct Investigations Office. What can I complain about? So basically, for example, if a judge says mumbo jumbo, this can be investigated because uh, JCIO cannot intervene in court cases, but they can investigate any action that amounts to misconduct, bullying or harassment of staff, colleagues, litigants, or legal representatives. I would think that the judge is not there to be sarcastic or ironic, especially not to a vulnerable adult. But even if it's not a vulnerable adult, using racist, sexist, or otherwise offensive language, loss of temper, aggression, rudeness, shouting, misusing judicial status to try to influence another person or organization for personal gain. That will be difficult to prove the personal gain, but that's just one example of misusing judicial status. Misusing social media, remarks about government policy. Yeah, well, he's there to judge the government policy, so I guess he could make remarks about his own um, um, judgment outside his job, just to say, yeah, I was able to decide that the policy was racist or not. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with that. Failure to report personal involvement in proceedings, delay in issuing a judgment, delay in dealing with an application, falling asleep in court. And now the bad part, we cannot investigate a judge's decision or order. Bias in a judge's decision making, a judge allowing one party to speak for longer than another, a judge refusing to allow witness to give evidence or admit certain documents, a judge appearing to react more favorably to one person's evidence than another's. In my case, both parties give similar evidence. They confirm the same events. So it's not about favoring. It's totally disproving what both parties are saying. A judge saying he or she does not believe a person's evidence, questioning a person's credibility, or criticizing a person's actions. Judge making an error of law or procedure. So basically, they can make an error of law or procedure. That's fine. I mean, I cannot believe this. Must be a joke. A judge expressing opinions about issues relating to a case they are hearing. Well, as long as they are not his personal opinions. I mean, he has a duty of care. He's not there to talk nonsense, but apparently he can talk nonsense. The amount of costs and damages ordered by a judge not reading documents we are hearing. Yeah, very good. Do not read the documents. Yeah, don't read them. Yeah, a judge can simply not read. Yeah, a judge refusing to transfer a case to a different judge or court. A judge reserving a case to themselves. A judge refusing to correspond with the party about the case. Fraud or any other criminal offense. Judicial Conduct Authority cannot investigate solicitors and barristers. So again, Judicial Conduct Investigations Office, JCIO. Absolute joke. So this explains why they talk like they're drunk or mad. They could explain a bit better this Misusing judicial status. Because if a judge is wrong, then he is misusing judicial status. Yeah, it's not necessarily for personal gain. He can just be ignorant or refusing to read evidence that is already on the file and is not even contradictory. So that's just stupidity. And that's why justice doesn't work.